You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations in English, you found the right channel. Stay tuned. Incarcerated, British English pronunciation. Incarcerated. The British English pronunciation uses a flap T that sounds like a D. The American English pronunciation, incarcerated. Incarcerated. When you're sent to jail, that's the meaning. Incarcerated. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.